Everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you today, of course, a lot of you are familiar with this. This is the Patterson Kelley Twin Shell blender. This particular one has the pin intensifier bar you can see there. Break up any lumps, agglomerations. Has these nice little guarded toggle switch covers. Now the bar generally travels at about 1100 RPM, most of these. This is a 4-quart model. See our standard tag right there. And it's rated for 150 pounds per cubic foot density. And of course, as a lot of you know, the shell won't run unless the bar is on. One of many blenders in our stock. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.